In front of me is Motorola Moto E14, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and download free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, launch it. Then, thanks to it, learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!